Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the day. Today I'm gonna show you guys my new vacuum that I picked yesterday. Do you see this? See? This is my brand new vacuum cleaner. I picked it up from yesterday because I needed it. And it was from the shop near here, so you see, so this is a vacuum, so it's got lightweight and easy to maneuver, so it's a good vacuum cleaner. I've paid over $140 for this vacuum cleaner. They have, so let me show you these parts. So this is after being refurbished. Right. Okay. Just watch this. So, right. I've just vacuumed it yesterday. So it's got new filters. Yeah, they're pretty clean. That you have to wash every 6 months to make sure it works correctly. So I took a look at the pre-motor filter. So after being refurbished, it's a nice vacuum. So I've got a Dc07 LG, Dc03, Dc33 and a ball one. So I see these filters that you wash every 6 months. So if you wash it every 6 months, it can last a long time. So that's why I love you so much. And the bin smells fantastic because the man must have polished the bin. And it smells so fantastic. Okay. Right. What we're going to do is practice vacuuming. I know I've done vacuum yesterday, but I'm just practicing. Okay, so first you need to take off the cord. There you go. Then I'm going to take the holes off. Okay, so pick out some tools that you want to put in the new vacuum. So we've got the additional 201 tools. So get all these attachments. So just pretending to have a practice vacuuming. So, and the hose look very smelly, smells nice to me. And we've got the valve pipe assembly, and there's the U-bend assembly, so you can collect, and it smells polished too. So the man bought the motor yesterday. Not yesterday, it was so they bought a motor. They bought a motor a month ago. They bought a vacuum, so it's Bill from the Dyson. So they refurbished it, then polished it, then put back together. And guess what? I'm going to show you these parts. So they've got a new hose. and a new crevice tool. So I'm going to take a look at these. So let's take this out. Okay. Right, so if you vacuum this, you could vacuum nice 10 meters to the stairs. Yeah, this is the hose. And when it turns on, it goes like this. So first, I'm going to give this pretend vacuum before I do the real one. Yeah? Okay. So first, you're going to push it. Then it goes like this. It clicks. So you do this. You see? I'm practicing vacuuming. Okay. And then when it turns off, you clicked it, and then you just take off the wand. Okay. Right. Then you just need to attach the tool where you can use it for stairs and bedding, etc. Yeah. I love this vacuum. So you're going to push this like this. And then you're going to vacuum all the carpets. Okay, so you've got the cleaning tools. Now time for the pull. Time for... This is the stair tool. And now time for the dusting brush. Let's put this in. Yeah, it's got a bit of dirt, but it's okay. And if you vacuum the surfaces, because I want to, so I can post it on YouTube. Yeah, so you can vacuum every time. So, okay, you just click it. Then you need to take the tool out, the crevice tool. And then you can just give this a full vacuuming. Yeah, it can reach right to the top at the length. So, there you go. Okay, now it's time to do a vacuuming, but this is gonna make a roaring noise when it's on. Yeah, I used to have a Dc07 animal, and it was that noisy. But this is gonna be the same as the Dc07 animal. So, and then the Dc07 animal just went to the tip. So, I got this as a special gift. So, I'm going to plug it in and let's see how it doesn't explode. There you go. Right. Okay. Are you ready? So I have to keep my fingers crossed because this machine's going to be so noisy. So here we go. Wow. It is a noisy machine, but at least it did a good job. So if you push, then you go. And then it clicks, so you can push it down, it unclicks. And that's why it's a good quality vacuum cleaner. So I'm keeping this. And if you put it down, then it goes. And that's why it's a good vacuum cleaner. Because it is newly refurbished Dyson vacuum cleaner. So let me unplug it. Where's the unplug socket? And because I want to bring you guys as well. So I'm gonna quit you. So next week I'll be bringing you guys my Dc07 allergy vacuum to have a look. So just wind the cord like that. Then you just and if you sell them on eBay, they'll do refurbished ones still. And if you sell it on eBay, you could buy used off eBay the Dyson vacuum. But I didn't order it off eBay, so I just went to the shop instead. It's easier. So it's easier than ordering the vacuum. Then you're going to clip it. So where's the clip? Okay. Then you're all done. So that's my fully refurbished Dyson Dc07, and now I'll be keeping it for many years' time. So I used to have a Dc07 Animal. You remember this, guys? I had a Dc07 Animal. That's a long time ago. But then it got to the tip, so I threw it away. But anyways, that's it for this, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. And this is me signing off, and I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye!